Hi guys, my name is Kelvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be showing you how to add and edit pictures on your Wix website. I'm currently in the Wix editor and I'm going to show you how to add an image to your Wix website to make it look beautiful. So to start, we want to press the plus button over here. You'll be faced with a bunch of options. You can either upload your own image to your website from your computer, or you can choose from Wix's library. Wix does have quite a large library of images, which are all high quality and do look quite good. So you should find something for whatever you're doing. I'm going to choose technology over here, and I'm going to go down and try and find an image that will suit the website. So I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to add it to page, and we'll just pop it right in. So what you can do, you can just drag the sides to fit nicely. Remember that images do make a really good impact on your website if you do it right. Obviously they have to correlate to what you've said, but they do engage your audience fantastically. So to see what the image looks like, I'm just going to press preview, and it looks quite clean, I think. Pretty happy with that. So I've just shown you how to add an image from the Wix library, but I'm also going to show you how to upload your own image. So I'm going to delete this quickly, press add. I'm going to go on my image uploads and upload media, upload from computer, and I'm going to select this image from my documents over here. Double click on it and it will basically just upload it to your site files. So once it's uploaded into your site files, just select it and press add to page, and it will just pop it in there. I'm just going to resize it and preview it, and that's what it looks like. If you just click on the image now, you can see that Wix does offer a few design options. So you can crop the image, you can also add borders around your image, there's a few effects, and you can also put it into a shape. If you're feeling fancy, you can also add a few filters. You've got the blur filter, and you can also darken your image. If you are going the Instagram route, you can also add one of these, and there are a few other strange ones to choose from. Under settings, you will have this option to tell Google what the image is about. This is great as it helps your SEO ranking, which is basically where your page shows up on the Google search results. So lastly, I'm just going to run through adding a link to your image. I'm just going to add the link to the home page on this image. So when the user clicks on it, it will lead them directly to the home page over here. So this concludes adding and editing your images on Wix. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the description below, as it just tells Wix that I brought you to the website, and it helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more videos on Wix tutorials, please do check out my channel. Take care. Bye bye.